brought nothing into the world, and we can take nothing out of it. 7.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Treasure Stored in Heaven was written by Kenneth Peterson and read by Wes Ward.
1 Timothy chapter 6, verses 6 through 12 and 17 through 19. Godliness with contentment is great gain. For we brought nothing into the world, and we can take nothing out of it. But if we have food and clothing, we will be content with that. Those who want to get rich fall into temptation and a trap and into many foolish and harmful desires that plunge people into ruin and destruction. For the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. Some people, eager for money, have wandered from the faith and pierced themselves with many griefs. But you, man of God, flee from all this, and pursue righteousness, godliness, faith, love, endurance, and gentleness. Fight the good fight of the faith. Take hold of the eternal life to which you were called when you made your good confession in the presence of many witnesses. Now picking up at verse 17. Command those who are rich in this present world not to be arrogant, nor to put their hope in wealth, which is so uncertain, but to put their hope in God, who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment. Command them to do good, to be rich in good deeds, and to be generous and willing to share. In this way, they will lay up treasure for themselves as a firm foundation for the coming age, so that they may take hold of the life that is truly life. Treasure Stored in Heaven, written by Kenneth Peterson. It's common for those who are traveling overseas for the first time to pack a lot of stuff. The fear is being so far from home and needing something. But a recent article speaks of the problems of overpacking. It advises leaving behind shampoo and hair dryers, which most hotels have, and not bringing extra shoes and books, which are bulky and heavy. The writer notes that when you wind up lugging heavy luggage over Europe's cobblestone streets, you'll wish you didn't bring so much with you. In a way, it's an apt metaphor for the travel advice the Apostle Paul provides in 1 Timothy 6. We brought nothing into the world, and we can take nothing out of it. He ties this to the problem of possessing too much. Those who want to get rich fall into temptation, and he warns that extra baggage is a trap leading to ruin and destruction. People of faith have a different travel destination where all that's needed is provided by God, everything for our enjoyment. It might be good for us today to remember that what we accumulate in life is meaningless. We can't take it with us. By being generous and willing to share, Paul says we lay up treasure for the coming age. This is the best travel tip of all, the secret to life that is truly life. Let's pray. Lord, teach us to travel lightly through this life, free from the weight of greed and excess, and help us to find joy in generosity and to store our true treasures with you where they will last forever. Thank you, Lord, and it's in Jesus' name that we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How might you pack less for eternity? What treasure might you store up for heaven?
Abola ka tolo ko at tukor belaw, ar other belaw, emnamodia ka siyukang ar belaw, katamlam ko dira siyukang ar belaw, tukor belaw aklisi ela siyukang ar belaw, abola ka tukor belaw, emlamada siyukang ar belaw, at tukor belaw, maleak belaw, mar other belaw, arokuil belura belulad, mar other belulad, Tokor belaw aklisi elaw do swela ngalaka lom daswel other belaw. Angalaka di ngalaka evyak lo denget tokor belaw mendi melokot tokor Amerikel amrail mo klow ngalaka mo klow ath el diakal arrungel law do swel marungul mabadangel el other belaw. Klaskok lalo bantarira rangal kerbelaw milil matitulom tab omrelir marandira matigingirar other belaw. Angal ngalikira other belaw evyak lolokot tokor belaw avyakal arrungel other belaw at telula teliud mabitanga belaw mabitanga Amerikel syugangar belaw armid la alsel ogim rak el modar terrak ala kada masisi el dimolokot tokor belaw elang rarangal kal domokro ratir abelaw independent terdogurit sel belu el angal mong menggirel belaw an molokot tigingel lol olternili leakra rogul belura blul ad mar other belaw matiliak lengod al other blul other rogir tokor belaw maleakra de suir marandir omrelir ar other belaw ra ar other angod al belu ra rogul belura blul ad 1900 at tokor Amerikel otit at tokor Hawaii mangmada at tokor Hawaii ra belura Hawaii elang ar other Hawaii elang o wularandir elang lulungak l other Hawaii evyak lolokot tekingir agwam Michael belura marialas mengwaisay ar other sabanyol am naragwam level dart madrangel al sel evel dart ar other sabanyol ngaragwam Michael rogul belura marialas uldimukra asaybal marota magwam at tokoira agwam amil tamal el angat tokoira guam mamarialas at talamal lura amal tokoira sabanyol mat tokoira at chamoro ay gel maral tokoira marialas at chamoro aririd enyam noriab es lura amal tokoira guam mat tokoira asabanyol el ato ularandir ar adra guam mamarialas ma ahaway siyukang aragwam ma ahaway am naramid lo banggelat tigingir aulubong at tokor belaw sab erramidra al sel o kimerrak al modar terrak ala kadakargik el angar other belaw lo kiwa school madalang okl al malokot tokora a belaw al mora arangalaka al suguma arangalaka domokoro ratir el ang am namu lombra mat tokora Amerikel mat tokor belaw kaltakatela tayo lombra mat tokoy ya tokor Amerikel mat tokor belaw yang alakal alongod adu yang mokokil maral mong el di mo tokor Amerikel alaw spe en mga adu en yarmid at tokor belaw ya tokor Amerikel otit at tokor belaw mendi imot tokor belaw al dali ay kir rokul tokor bolol ko ya di mo tokor Amerikel tiyaw alel yang matamal mada al adu orangi dir belu selame maklol belu lotit at tigingirarat ombo ngalaka evi molokot tokor bela rangal kemen mumukro tirabe ka klubsei ablaya kotol skulo lis akla tokor belaw evirek molis akla rangal kabol kula tokor belaw evirek molis akla molokot tokor belaw eldi tokor aku kolokot tokor belaw di lokot tokor belaw marolokot tokor Amerikel evirolokot tokor bel at Amerikel tokor belaw tokor Amerikel asab elo subra TV maskul endi belaw amal at titwole kadmolo rivi adori dat tigingeth kadam nam kodira asyukang nam kodir belaw tokor belaw loloko other belaw aklisi el asyukang makli belaw makadiliak belul dingod el diakar mawai kidra blul ad abola ka tokor belaw mlamad belaw mlamad ul deswir marandirar ad arrungol other belaw other belaw diakal kirin marur mulkot tokor belaw rasekat malubet tangara on dibel malubal al ngarase do bentriar atarangod al belu tokora Amerikel am sisi aklisi el tokora los pernya belu other rogir alla kad karikik el angar other belaw al sel okim rakal modar terrak ya tokora Amerikel am nam kodira syukangar belaw nakitit at tokor belaw abelaw am lemolem dileak belura rogul belura blulad matikingel masyukang arngi mengileak rogul belu mar adra blulad dakaling seul beklad Umomakarural ngalak umolis akrar ngalak malolo molum belau di belau el dia kalamat loki watikingel.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
Notice regarding land known as Suelvadel, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Palilu State, depicted as cadastral lot number 032R17, as shown on cadastral plat number 032R00. Notice is hereby given that the children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any children of Yasko Rudim who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than February 13, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Su del girela utumen klela uelvedel, el ngarangasias rablurablilio, el gadastral lat number 032R17, Asubdamura Wild Kma children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, amnaruli until met moltob the certificate of title girel tiam namsadra babel utuma, el mora Palau National Government. Ababier el girel teloy de la utuma, land conveyance agreement, angaringir obisra len gort el sebelangi dil adel mo mesringi. Al tsum mangaryang al gela Yasko Rudim, el soalom togor teloy de la utuma, ekmal girel file or tangel el mor obisra len gort, el diabol meudra February 13, 2026. Le volmió durante al time en sabel celul tangel modigalorior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge.
Subdragodal le nagoreti milong. Tia subdragodal le loltobdringa hokons baules, ngir etet norvertiano, uel Felix Minor, mudlong Salvador Talams, Romaniano, remerang Charlie Kenti, el mesubdrarogul drauab, el kmo abtigrangu del goreti milong, el ngalgela ngirngarwang al milong, am los mersera January 1st, 2026, em lamotrok lakamel dilel, el moringira Friday, February 6, 2026, el di moringira funeral home rangat kibrairay. Malwaise agim subdrar admam magim gaugabli laray galbek kalbelu, el girel tial gamaldil. Magot ya orior, ya togubet el spadam, amoray badul, mabilung Gloria Gibbons, rablay raydid. Mo subdrar ngal ge may madaalim mertial albul. Direkal masubdrar yung ma evil yung may madaalim. Direkal spadalar admamra siyaw may madagay nga sewer tial albul. Ar admam rablay raybay may madaalim. Ar admam rangar mangyaw, mo subdrar ngal ge may madaalim edagay nga sew. Ar admam rangar ripkal, mo subdrar ad, marangal ge may madaalim. Ar admam ra omrokong may madaalim edagay nga sew. At togubet sel spedela ngir etet norvertiano, amorangal gramatugur, e olngitargal ngiramtugur Milan Isak, maebil ra tuubla, Ellen Eungel, mamgas pasub de may madaalim medray nga sew. Agi direk kalmasub da rangalgelamle ngiray galaus kasang, rangalgela Silves Alons, rangalgela Losi Ulongong, marangalgela taagi ise, mosub da adamarangal ge may madray nga sew. Arangalgela madalara, rarangil madalara, madakter Isaw Makol, mosub da rangal ge may madray nga sew ertial albul. Rangalgela ngira alwol, wara sabet bears, ngiram tukul Milan Isak, Minister Gustav Aitaro, mosub da baby ragmiw marangal ge may madaalim edray nga sew ertial albul. Direk kalmasub da rangalgela mga isang ra lili aludong, mangalgela ikiasang taltul, ra wadal adulay taltul, mamgas pasub da load, may madaalim mertial albu. Agi direk kalmasub da rangalgela amle ngir etet, ngir awes, olangit may madaalim mertial albul. Arangalgela di raidid, ra mudlong Salvador talams, mosub da arangalga, may madagay nga sew. Rangalgela barbarang, rangir etet Norbertiano, Migo Graciano, Romaniano, mangalgela gelamlet migo Katarina Katosang, Ramario Katosang, mosubdrar admarangal may madagay nga sew. Rangal gelamle ngiray galaw Toru Talams, Ralinda Talams, mosubdrar baby rakaw may madagay nga sew. Direk kalspad rangal gelamlet migo Emang, Ramonigar Irikl, Remerang Charlie Genti, Minister Stephen Victor, Michael Temael, mosubdrar admarangal may madagay nga sew ertial albul. Agi direk kalmasubdrar rangal gelamle ngir etet, ngir ngarwangal, rawadal ad kubari, ngiray galaw, mosubdrar rangal gelamle ngir etet agiwo, marbekal ad marangal may madaalim ertial albul. Agi direk kalmasubdrar rangal gelamle Mirair Lucy Orum, Vivian Ulongong Rivera Adalbay, Isabong Rivera Kual, Ngariam Ringang, Kiku Brel Kiota, Mamotol Brel Andres, mosubdrar bekal ad may madaalim edray nga sew ertial albul. Agi direk kalmasubdrar ngal gela Boysek, Rasela Sakuma, mosubdrar ngal may madaalim edray nga sew. Direk kalspad ngal gela mle Mirair nga sangaol, radeliget elender ngiram gati, mawanda en timarong, mosubdrar bebi ramiw may madagay nga sew ertial albul. Arangal gela Tareng Baules, Rasenet President Hokons Baules, Madilwang Amray Baules, mamgas pasub de may madagay nga sew. Arangal gela Roy, rawadal ad Modesta ngirasway, maini, mosubdrar ad marangal may madagay nga sew ertial albul. Arangal gela Adar Groy, Ramelin, mauri Adar Groy, mosubdrar ngal may madagay nga sew. Arangal gela Velbirt, agi olngit may madaalim ertial albul. Arangal gela Humiyay Gibbons, mamgas pasub de may madagay nga sew. Arangal gela Sokok Olgri, Lara Carlos Madelicia, mamgas pasub de may madaalim. Arangal gela Too o Olgri, Ra Irene Olgri, Mauri Olgri ubday, mamgas pasub de may madagay nga sew. Arangal gela di Rainglay, Rauel Felix Minor, Maestada May, mosubdrar ad may madagay nga sew ertial albul. Direk kalspad arangal gela Orengs, Ra Benito Orengs, mosubdrar ngal may madaalim. Ngaralong eng spadlar adamam rablay rawgal, olangit may madaalim ertial albul. Ngarar deng spadlar ngal gra onglakal raol, may madaalim edagay nga sew. Ngaramlanguy eng spadlar adamam ra ongrol, may madaalim edagay nga sew. Direk kalspad ngira dilub at Tamir Mangsaw Jr., mamosubdrar adamarangal may madagay nga sew. Ay mali ang spadlar adamamra u elgiukla may madaalim medagay nga sew. Ng esar ang spadlar adamamra ibalu may madaalim medagay nga sew. Palilyaw agim subdrar adamamra ngatab may madagay nga sew. Ar adamamra ngardalolga may madagay nga sew. Direk kalmasubdrar adamamra madaliwal, ra omisaol, rangas kasuk, may madaalim edakay nga sew. Madakomp mal masulang, iagik mal mangir kamiw, ar adamam, marbebi ramam, may madaalim, mertial mong mangulubong, el sungulat targi dra koreti milong, el di moringira funeral home rangat kibrayray, ra Friday, February 6, 2026. Arubakal Dios, lolmol malobangged, elomaknal tangat targi dra rokuy. Signed, ngira ite Norbertiano. Subdra kodal. Tia subdra kodal laloltob nga ngira ite Dr. Victor M. Yano, Obad Yosiyugi Sungino, Ulongong Scotiano, Madrabalu Satoru Adatsi, Iromel Benedict Mangloy, Adalbay Ramrab Felix Ogabe, Adalbay Rurior Bernard Ngiraybay, ubay Matthew Rudim, umadib Gerald Ramot, ngirailal sa Sixtus Paloy, maratugod at Che Watanabe, el masubde o ay sararongul adrir, rasarel makamaldile la targid, engalged rakoreti milong, el ngalgelaw eriyang. Nigal ngalged, amlamos me, mabdingelang Palau mortuary, emlamotorok, mo 12 February 6, 2026, ra 6:30 a.m., el mora Sacred Heart Church, emo mga Maldira Santos Borja Funeral Home, el mo 12:30 p.m., emo uraged, rabyong la rablura oygul. Malwayse agimsub de olngiter kami rokwil adamam, almay madangaswira targidra wadal ad kubari ngiray galaw, marbebi ringi ertial albula. Malwayse yang rarda kimsub dra madrangasmos makario watsi, dirangar galaw Veronica Pind Sangbaw, Dana Osima, dirangar aw Victoria Kanay, diraw limang Francisca Blailes, e olngit ang mosub dra ngalgiw, marbebi rakamiw, e may madakay ngasew. Ang gaklaw agimsub dra ngalgelayos teru sungino, Rakeren Mira, Hilaria Sungino, marbebi rakamiw, u erbalaw Great Ngiray Lamsang, Sum Optulia Malsol, Rabu Celestino Malsol, marbebi rakamiw. Agidirek kalmasub dra ngalgela Misawo Subris, Rateodosia Cuartey, Coel Duley Subris, Laura Mangham, Ruth Subris Malwat, Mitsuhide Subris, Mawilson Subris, marbebi rakamiw. Agidirek kalmasubdra, arangalgela daltang, radirangar madngir, Tomasara Aseng, la marbebi rakaw. Agidirek kalmasubdra, dirgosulang, Naomi Buguro Uwegi, madiray bungal ang, Doris Mav, e olngit ang mausubdra bebi rakamiw, e may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgelaklaw lubak Francisco Sungino, ra Ernest Sungino, marbebi ringi, e olngit ang mamay madakay ngasew. Ang iwala gimsubdra kaol uwong Eliot Uduy, wadalad Modesta Ngirasway, wadalad rangalaw Celine Ito, Dominina Ngiraybay, Dominino Ngiraybay, Ellen de Ngiraybay, e olngit ang mausubdra bebi rakamiw, e may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra kaol, e olngit kaol Annabeli Alfonso, Elme Arangalgem, Raodaray Aleduy, Sarwang Aleduy, Maderik Alfonso, Malngasukumam. Amalgayo kagim subdarkaw el dirawud sa tani ngirmang, e olngit tarkaw el Raklay Rafael Bawo ngirmang, malme arangalgem Rachina, Mangitoob, Matricia, Malngasukumam. Agidirek kalmasubdarkaw el Chulita Talay, Frutoso Toto Talay, Kamdao Laben Talay, Ratao France Talay, Raaptang Tripkul Talay, Dirayngas Makania Talay, Maugardew, Engiratudong Dr. Patrick Talay, Manangalgela Philip Bismarck, Ra Johanna Bismarck Moses, Manangalgel Ra Patrick Sanchez Moses, Epimacus Moses, Hayes Moses, Machois Moses, e olangit mamay madakay ngasew. Ngarsul, agim subdarkaw dilra atura Miyoko Rodas, dilbid, e diraydung Sandy Toribio, Ma Ralph Moses, Ma Melissa Moses, Marbebi Rakamiw, e olangit mamay madakay ngasew. Aoygul, agim subdarkaw diraw Rakam Alin sa Sato Marangalgem. Agidirek kalmasubdarkaw other day Crispin Termetet, Madirat Kalgang Eleanor Ngiramtur, Dil Oligong Gegi Uduy, e olangit mosubdarangal gra ngiraw gawid, Malesay, e may madakay ngasew. Ang rusa ragim subdarkal wadal adra ngururior, kubari ngiray galaw, rangalgela singewo teong, rablitang yoichi singewo, mapalang ulang singewo, toyoko singewo, maevil risong iwong bees, e olngit moltur gradalam, e may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusubdra rangalgelamle, adalbay rurior rungulbay ngirdimaw, madirak kaltalyab da mangyor emasyol, mewang rungulbay, tuur rungulbay, Johannes rungulbay, rumurang rungulbay, e olangit mo subdar bebi rakamiw, e may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusubdra ngalgela karingel tese, ra Paulus tese, marbebi ringi, e olangit may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmusub, de olangit rakal rabaal at tagewo ngiramukur, malamiyar ngalgem rakalin sa tagewo, marbebi ringi, magimgay ngasew. Angat ki, magim subdar ramasaw Dave or Rukum, Rulib Mark or Rukum, wadal adrap kul, Janice ngiratkak la Butler, e olangit may madakay ngasew. Ang artma agim subdaral besi iyar uur, e olangit mo subdarar adad, e may madakay ngasew. Ang ramlanguy yaubay Matthew Rudim, amasubdaral badul Baurino o ingarang, Margaret Rangul, marangalgelahay Mangiramos, ra Kristiana asanuma marangalgel, a Antonio Ngiramos, Ramagi Antonio, marbebi ragmiw, e olngit mo subdrar adad e may madakay nga sew. Angat pa nga gim subdrakawal, siles ngiraramyang, matanchi ngiraramyang, e olngit mamgas pa subdaload e may madakay nga sew. Ay mali yaw bay Matthew Rudim, am subdrakal rablu marino rasengla, maebil hermana umetaro, rakabli rangar madangir, e olngit mo subdrar adad e may madakay nga sew. Ay leakal spedelaw bay Matthew Rudim, amorgawal dilubay Edna Raymond, e olngit mo subdra armlengalgelam leubay tuur, rangira suwang tuur, marangalgela Kalbil Sikprit, Ra Williams Armidal, marbebi ringi, e olngit mamay madakay nga sew. Aubay Matthew Rudim, adire kalmasub na rangalgelam leubay oitrong tamrad, radil erbay arol la simer, e bil abas batildes olaw, maabas Paul uegi, e olngit mamgas pasub daload, e may mamga sukumam. Aadal bay Rurior Bernard ngiraybay, mawadal ad kubari ngiray galaw, amoraw elgiyuk raymali, e masub dargawal, dirungulbay sariyang matk, mamosub darar bebinigid, e may madaalim, e dagay nga sewertial albula. A orior agim subdargal Chudi Eleduy Abalos, Dennis Eleduy marbebi ragmiw, marangalgiw. Evelyn Yano Kosiba marbebi ragaw, Taylor Watanabe, ma Elizabeth Watanabe marbebi ragaw, Janet Iyar, ma Fabian Iyar marbebi ragmiw, Feliciano Watanabe, April Watanabe marbebi ragmiw. Agidire kalmusub ragaw Oligong Jacinto Asanuma, Joe Tetuk Asanuma marbebi ragmiw. Agidire kalmusub darangalgel lamle Dilubay, Ra Faustina Mayar, Ra Omes Mayar, Maigan Mayar, marbebi ragmiw. Agidire kalmusub dargaul Antonia Max Reed, Madalia Max Katosang, Maliana Max Eungel, e olngit mamspadatira rangalgela Lorenza Max, Ra Levelin, marbebi ringi, e may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmusub dara madrabalu Satoru Adachi, diraidung Sandy Toribyong, Lela Adachi, Momoyo Adachi Rimir, mamosub dara bebi ragmiw. Agidire kalmusub dara rangalgela Ayang Laringang, radiray belu Natalie Anastasio, Leolar Abey, Maaleduy Omelaw, marbebi ragmiw, e olingit mamay madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmusub dargaul Elias Ingrakli, Masalvador Ingrakli, e olingit mamay madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmusub darangalgela Hanako ngiraybu, Raw Elbil Hilaria ngiraybu, Ichiro, Mamasako ngiraybu asabang, marangalgela Toribyong madamdem, Ratchungi Isawo marbebi rakaw. Marangalgela Esuroy Obiang, Ramarsiana Obiang marbebi rakaw. Marangalgela Inglor, Rakrace Ay Nobuo, Malordes Ay Antonio, marangalgela Mlew Elbil Yugigo Inglong, Rauna Richard, marangalgela Hisaye Obiang Brel, Raklint Obiang, Marulog Brel, marangalgela Imengl, Radiras Imlay, Omgatala Teruo, marangalgel, e olngit mo subdara bebi ragmiw, e may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmusubdara rangalgel amle umadib Ginsiano Obiang, Ralosi Obiang Ginsiano, Magramius Ginsiano, marbebi retir. Ay leakal spadela ngiraite Dr. Victoriano, Maubay Matthew Rudim, amora rangalgela Olgek, rangiraibu Paul Raklay, mangir olsul Sirino Melil, e olngit mo subdara bebi ragmiw, e may madakay nga sew. Agidire kalmusubdara Miriam Rudim Chin, e olngit ragaw mo subdara rangalgela Isidoro Rudim, Ra Ivan Rudim, Senator Mark Rudim, Shirley Rudim, Dean Rudim, Governor Eos Rudim, Dirangarangas Eunice Oilo, Ma Evelyn Rudim, marangalgela Alicia Bruno, e may madakay nga sewertial albula. Ay leakal spadela ngira ite Dr. Victoriano, maadalbay Rurior Bernard ngiraybay, amora dirakarugur Nona Adalbay Louis, e olngit ragaw mamay gaw marangalgem madakay nga sewertial albula. Yak maliliakla elontila obag Yosiyugi Sungino, amorgaw uwadal adra Orabaw Ines Santos, e olngit ragaw malmearangalgem Ra Lucia Santos, Ma Luisa Santos, malngasuma Martial Albula. Ablilio agim subdragawal obirir chulita balibay, Vilsmau anemari sambal, maponsiana sambal, maitpik James ngiradeng, olngit mo subdrar adab, may madagay nga sew. Angayaw ragim subdragawal Erbalaw Lorenzo Eduardo, Madil Balaw, Maseverio Joseph, Marangalge Lamlew Erbalaw Masawo Kulibert, Raulong Ong Mario Kulibert, Regina Pyong Kulibert, Marbebi Ramiw, olngit mo subdrar adab, may madagay nga sew. Ngakalgubari ngiray galaw, amasubdra eriga Emmanuel Rangar Along, mamosubdra adad marangal, may madaalim, edagay nga sew, tial gamaldile la udale, grako reti. Kompmal masaw, ledongot mokrigi del girel selsils, yar adama malmodiakal sa bariril may, akmal diungil basul, ngididagalat kalogi wang lungu. Signed, ngira ite Dr. Victor M. Yano.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, Adiagal Spedel, Madiagal Tigingel, Malub, Engul de Suel at Yes Broadcasting Company, Tiang Aspedirar Adlul Tobdengi, Eharaorgi, Kohmal Mesulang.
Mabuhay Palau! Your next adventure awaits as Philippine Airlines now flies direct from Palau to Manila. Experience the hustle and bustle of the Philippine city life right in the heart of Manila. Your next getaway now awaits. Flights take off this March 29, 2026. Enjoy heartfelt service with our signature care that comes from the heart. Book your flights now at philippineairlines.com.
Tiagade will sub the Loais, la Memorial Service, la Gailang Asanuma, Morgina Island Paradise, la Sabadong, February 7, 2026, la 12 p.m. mo 4 p.m. Ngoyak tial sub, the Agimamador, Arugul Salil, la Gaudingi, Mar Adram Leurel, Marguk Tiblel Gaudingi, Loyagabal Tigereng, and Maim the Alimur Tial Sils, Komal Musulang. Tia sub the top the Nabishur Ganaim Androsiro, El Morad Gawad el Adel Kmomevo the Caldibla, the Badbagi, at Targid, la Gailang Asanuma, El Mlosois, Bracario, the Busera Donlet. Direk al bolsa beed el gaing seu lo ventriar ng algel el giri la sesel belsel makaldim la mo memorial ma celebration raklangar ng targid el Morgina Island Paradise Hotel February 7 2026 at 12 p.m. and mo 5 p.m. ma bolsa be mo utrangan meim dalim mertial sils mang ayang lagim subdra we adal dil orchon sa umtilong al tangat Lazarus madra isaus manda ma Columbus edboy maralong agim subdra irera ingos el duait ngiramat himawang skilang utirak la Philip Haruo sa ubasebs ma adal bara kayong yohay merur ao lagim subdra krigedra imadul choban isak o la blu mi matalid adong kay triro ma Samson sogaw Kabukod agim subdra ang ikiyun Matias, Herminer Aseng, James Sokaw, Tanesya Balaluk, Olgari Klolubak, Justino Maat, Bristina Maat, Margup Malel, Maditer Olgaril. Alab agim subdra Ragi Sokaw, Tanesya Basebs, Chan Sokaw, Chanson Saigamal, Ebil Sabet Saigamal, Mamerisis Balaluk. Ulimang agim subdra ang ilayrong Isak Swaladaw, Delegate Gibson Nganay, Tur Gasusiro, Francis Elgang, Harbit Kel, Matius Ngirablos, Machigov Ngirablos, Michael Andrew, Marlon Andrew, Lydia Ngirablos, Emilit Kel, Michelle Harson Bay. Kaklagim subdra Hasintaw Riro Isak, Jesus Omisong. Malakaw kayim subdra ngiratakaw Bibiano Math, Madil Takaw Saryangking, mo subdra atad marangal ka. Iwalagim subdra sa Arkabur Denis Math, ila apsis karingel tour, ngarugara H. Johebet Masubda Noel Inasyo. Yasaragim subdra Singal Inasyo Anastasio, Madirbis Madrigo Taro. Airagim subdra Rosania Ongrung, Coreti James, Miriam Saraimul, Frida Shea, Tomasar Asengal, Omibael Basilius, Dirio Lididra Lula, Dilbuil Ganay, Dilsils Ganay, Rueram Aingirgiklang, Salazar Joseph, Jersey ER, Gibson Toay, Ralph Ganay, Marinal Ganay. Karamlungo agim subdra Ngiraklang Chiang Skabong, Julia France, Marasengal Yaad. Matpang may bobang agim subdra Rosang Osilek, tel ingal tangat ma e ol sisyor. Marbod lagim subdra Igedel Shalom et Pisong, Oriol agim subdra Fermin Asaiske, Inaria Sokaw, Simako Madraisaw, Obangdang PS, Ngiriam Madraisaw, Emerita Radla, Florencia Armaliga, Kuya Belelay, Evangeline Ngiramat, Rebecca Asanuma, Deborah Arnangata, Emiliana Melelma, Naimi Melelma, Chorena Asanuma, Marcy Andrew, Petik Sano Yalap, Lovelyn Siro, Mary A. Nabeama, Marcela Darong, Mareng Arbadul, Eleanor Rafael, Valentin Osiga, Aaron Chloe, Eunice M. Gatosang, Marchi Meltel, Asunu Erbelao, Caleb Ongrung, Roman Ongrung, Edwel Ongrung, Edmund Ongrung, Edwin Ongrung, Meltel Ngaltangat, Ismael Imtengla, Alex Meltel, Chuck Meltel, Casey Siro, Swingley Siro, Alson Siro, Johnny Sogaw, Joshua Sogaw, Kirk Anderson, Allen Anderson, Bradford Balaluk, Aaron Benhart SB ganay mabayli obradong. Abol sab amiu meim talim de sangal targi de tialulbong al sungul. Patoka alsang maser material model sa Bril May agyolngit madaglat karang lungu. Kumal masulang Sain Andrew Shiro mabisur kanay. Ti osisul sudol top dringang ida Royce Francis Kip Roa Gabriel Adalbay Esbel kami Tobias Kuad ra memorial service ra kailang asanuma al motor kaklal morning asarudel February 7 2026 ra Island Paradise Hotel. Lomu raswel mo wartlo 12 PM to 4 PM. Malway segim subra admam bilduk krang cleario Ngangyar ngalgela balaluk ngiratyo rakoreti mosub rangalgela Moses, rangalgela idip ngiratyo, rangalgela saygamal ngiratyo, rangalgela Rigel Marcel, rangalgela Meli Temael, rangalgela Sinsak Kibra deliget Timothy Sinsak mosub rabibin kamiu, rangalgela Malin Sing Ed, rangalgela Idong Hilbert, Ruth Araray Holt ngiratyo, maisbira kadung Edwin Chokay, o obra help esrak marangalgem, marangalgela Guad. Kas posub doload marangalgiu emim dakaing iseu. Kidirikan musubdra ngira badel melbert moto mangira kargur musubdra dira kargur nonalwi dira uldak o op ngiraket yadra mai eliayob ma elbira gomr sena azuma tres Salvador Marita Salvador gikuo musubdra bebir kamiu musubdra adat marangal ke meim nakaing seu maklo aser material model sep ilmei didaglat krang lungu sain ngira Royce Francis Kip o si subdra top dringa ngira irong edira ngir ongor isak swaladaw mar albang chowas wasisang maidip pitlaw lgirela memorial rakailang asanuma Ilmnamotrok kulmorngina February 7, 2026. Magim subdra admam magim kawkabli rababaldab mayoldab marmadida selmay magim kaing insert telmo mulbong sils rangal targid rakailang asanuma. Tokobet sa subdra mararukun ngal rakabli raidong maire maitpang malamay magim kaing insert tel sils. Agidir kam subdra ngiraw bisur kanay mo subdra rangal karang ngaraw emaim da kaing insert tel sils. Sain albang chowas wasisang. O si siulsub dara laptop dringar ataw Albert ngir mukur adal baramrap Felix Okabe arurang sa kay ngir obay maorok mademga. El masub dar tial memorial service ra kailang asanuma al morngin asabadong February 7, 2026 ra Island Paradise Hotel Lomo Raswell belmo ewarklo ratilial sils 12 to 4 PM. Agidire kalolingit tem sub dar kamiur bekal damam al ngarabek kalbelu el kmondire kal ngarnya sesel belsel ngal targid mameim da kay sir tial sils sergi. Pagim subdra kamyar admam ngaragal belu mangkaklaw mangarar ding spadala Jesus ngiray lamsang wirabalaw korek ngiray lamsang Rabu Celestino Malsol Tomasara Seng al Paulinat Tagewo bo subdra adad marangal gimeim da kaing seu ngalgel obak rakalaw mkas pusub marangal ka emeim da alim ed kaing seu tial silsa mabukod mangarar ding spadala Veronica Arbadul mlei nawra hideos malori Justino mkas pusub marangal gimeim da kaing seu Ailiak kaspadek ngal rataw Albert ngir mukur awlingit ragaw madang abukot tamin mo South Junior mosub dara bebir ragaw emeim da alim da kaing seu tial silsa Aulimang mangarar ding spadala ngalgel ay krabay bitlaw marangalgel ol ngalel ngiratong mosub dara bekal dad marangal gemeim da kaing seu silsa Martmagim subdar kamiul ngalgel ablaayos sa maitlong ngalgel ngir okbay ubday ngalgel adil mayrong sa kasiro marangalgel adil rubong ngir mukur mgas pusub dara bebirigid emeim da kaing seu tial silsa Arbaduraget ngul masahiro mosubdra bibir qaw meim da alim da kaing sir tial sils agidire kal mosubdra kamer ngalgela ermeldil rungula rarmurang rungula mangira kasaw rungula mkas pasub mar bibir kamiu meim da kaing seu o sisul spadam mamir kamer ngalgela mrere ong ngira galaw rawil her ngira galaw adal bay chan ngira galaw magin sirok lulubak mkas pasub dar bibir kamiu marangal ke meim da kaing seu Ailiak kaspadek ngal rataw Albert ngir mukura mir kamiu arangal kar armal el modrang Johannes ding rangalgela kiaril agi kosung yama rangalgela tosie kildermen barangalgela otong tengelu rakyo tengelu mangalgela adalang abayang adal karoy rat kelgang marbebir kamiu kas pusub de meim da kaing seu diri kaliliak kaspadek ngal rataw Albert ngir mukura marangalgela ngatway adal karoy rakorang fiser marangalgem rangu lagodep iwasongong fiser maheder fiser Aktir kalm subdra kamer ngalgela dangalay balaw rakambes kasolay madiraklay rigrik ngas pusud marbebir kamiu emeim da alim da kaing seu Ang esara gyol ngitra ngalgela amler dubang ngir kalaw raruluk Marcelo ngir kalaw ngalgela atmoy sang ratchabi mai marbebir kamiu ngas pusud da ngalga emeim da kaing seu Ngaram lunguing spadala ngirut tali emi womath Wilson Ongos ngalgel obilio ra olivalo marangalgela ngiralul krasiles ngiralul ngas pusud marbebir kamiu marangal emeim da kaing seu eda alim irtial sils Malkayo kang spadala ngalgela imado euro balgul makawal di ramid erena sebal tamgas pusub marbibir kami umangal gemin da kang sertial sils Orior ang spadala ngalgela taro matsuda ngalgela atkel ngalgela Simeon adlul Rangalge la uro, mabatildes Pedro Marangalge, mosubdrar bebir kami may nakaing sew eda ali mertial sils. Alia kalspadek nga karata Albert Ngirmugur, maadalbar amrap Felix Okabe, subdrar kal sa along San Osval, dil sa along Gloria Warswick, mafidensyat ng albat. Mosubdrar nga kung marbebir kami may nakaing sew eda ali mertial sils. Agidiri kam subdrar kal obak rusong terwat syokay, maawadal at harumi inawo, mosubdrar bebir kami may alim e mosukma mertial sils. Agdiri kal mosubdrar kal Moses Sintaro, mosubdrar bebir kau marangal ke emem nakaing sew. Ang luway se agik malolingit kamiu aro kuil na madung ang kliw. El dakaw ad maramlodi al madung ang kliw loyak ti al subd. Ngkas pusub de emem nakaing sew eda alim mesat ti al sil sinangkal targid rakailang asanuma. Ngoyak ti al spada magik mal mga matawar aro kuil sa alil. Lakaw dengi mar adram leurerel markuk tible lakaw dengi loyak abal tigareng. Mamem da alim ti al memorial service rakailang asanuma. Adios ti lobloy lumakray lumakaltanga targid aro kuy. Kopman sulang sa narataw Albert Ngirmukur.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel madiagal tigingel malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top derngi e haraorngi kohmal mesulang.
Are you craving fresh, delicious fish? Looking for the perfect ingredient for your next meal? Then look no further. Ngardub and Ngatbang is bringing you fresh, high-quality milkfish. Get your hands on premium milkfish, perfect for grilling, frying, or however you love to cook it. Available bone-in for just $4 a pound. And for extra convenience, we also offer boneless milkfish for a small additional deboning charge. Don't miss out. You can start placing your orders from February 2nd. Then mark your calendars for Thursday, February 5th, with pickup available from 2 p.m. on. Pick up your fresh milkfish at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. To place your order, call us at 587-1289 or 587-5070. That's for calls only, or for your convenience, you can text or call 778-5156. Fresh milkfish from Ngardub, available for pickup on February 5th at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. Order yours starting February 2nd. Call 587-1289 or 587-5070 or text call 778-5156.
Notice regarding land located in Taliw Hamlet, Peleliu State with cadastral lot number 154R19. Notice is hereby given that Luil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, and Luil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Luil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, and Luil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than March 5, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subdal Girela Utumal Ngarablurablilio, Rataliu. Asubda Murabuail Maluil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, Maluil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, Amnaruli on Tril Meltobda Certificate of Title, El Girel Telm na Masadra Bablutum, El Murapalaw National Government, Ababiel Girel Teloy de la Utuma, Len Conveyance Agreement, Ang Aringir Obis Ralen Court, El Sabel Langidil Adel Maomes Ringi, Al Sukumang Aringia Other Tel Gabli, El Sualom Tor Teloy de la Utuma, Mal Girel File, El Tangel, El Mura Obis Ralen Court, El Diamond Meodra March 5, 2026. Lebon Beoder Tial Time, ang Sabel Selul Tangel Modialurior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Chats.
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 2 each SUV and 2 each flatbed truck for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after February 11th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Chanel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016. Email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by NTWN CIP Admin 2025. Invitation for bid number IFB 08-26. Public notice is January 28, 2026 to February 11, 2026. Bidding period is February 12, 2026 to February 27, 2026. Opening date will be March 2nd, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on February 27, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary.
Spadela ko dalela Antonio Loyok. Tiasu bedra kamaldi lolto bedringa other day Crispin Termetet, adalbay elsu ngiramatugora, I other odolomela risawo bauso, ibaw Jacinto Asanuma, mudulong Salvador Talamas, raalul garingang mates, ngiramargos domin ngiraybay, reiriw reegamuri lilaw, dilat kalgang Eleanor ngiramatugora tagesi, dil oligong gegi Asanuma uduy, dil gogok Rufina Tatingal, Madilbelu, Rosania Iyar, El Moraro Wil Ada Marangal, Garagabli Larangat Amad, Mangramalgi, El Kmo Angalgela Targidra Antonio Lagayok, El Ngalgela Lagayok, Maingarekla, Amlamos Merangabar, the Apadingela Mera February 4, 2026, E Moramorg, E Momanga Maldira February 5, 2026, Rang Esar Rablaira Itad Adubo. Malwaise agi olngit temsubdra rogil adad el ngaraygal beluwal kmo may madaalim edgay nga sertial gamaldile la targidra Antonio Lagayok. Ngiwal agim subdra ngalgelamle dirawrak hibul iyar ngiraybay, rangiram rokos domin ngiraybay, adalbay rurior Bernard ngiraybay, madominina ngiraybay, mamosubdra ngal gamarbebi ragamiw. Agidira kalmsubdra ngalgelam letmigo Katarina Talams katosang, Ramario Masalvadora katosang, Madul katosang, marbebi ragamiw. Iray agimsubdra ngalgelam lerdo orong hotel Marey, Raoligong William Der Hotel, Malindang Hotel, marbebi ragamiw. Marngalgelam le dirat kalgang diraklang ngiramatur, Raadalbayu Elsung ngiramatur, Ridialul Nixon ngiramatur, Madirat kalgang Eleanor ngiramatur tagesi, marbebi ragamiw. Marangalgela mingekong Marey, Rahana, Maelsi, Mamosubdar bebi ragamiw. Rangalgela Osyal Marey, Rawina, Marbebi ragamiw. Edira kalmasubdar rangalgela ngiramalgay, Mamosubdar bebi ragamiw. Rangalgela ngirat kakal Marey, Rarmang Sao David o Roma. Wadal adra malong Vigi ngirat kakal ganay. Mawadal adra bukle Chinese ramang Sao. Ruli buka Mark o Roma, Marbebi ragamiw. Marangalgela mle other day Gilian Johannes. Ratuur Johannes, Matumakreng Johannes, marbebi ragamiw. Marangalgelamle dirat kalgang Albaev Tesey, rangalgelamle Madrabalu Chunewo Tesey, Rahana Mapaulis, marbebi ragamiw. Marangalgela ite ngiralmuta, radil ob ad romana ngiralmuta, marbebi ragaw. Edire kalmsub rangalgelamle ob ad niro baraw, rao obi yakar, matchakwini, marbebi ragamiw. Rangalgelat kut talmatang, Ramle Dilibab, Rumi Talmatang, Radilibab Ngedrong Marino, Mamosubdar Ada Marangalga. Rangalgela Ulsiw, Ngiroy May, Rayo Ur Ngiroy May, Madeliget Stephanie Ngiroy May, Marbebi Ragamiw. Marangalgela Ngarbol, Radosob, Marangula, Mamadalmang, Marbebi Ragamiw. Rangalgela Mates, Rar Alul Garingang Mates, Bekaldil Ra Klawang, Kikuye Mates, Ngirngasang, Dilbug Skang, Marbebi Ragamiw, Mamosubdrar Ada Marangalga. Rangalgel Olgaril Ra Oba Adal Kalaulbay, Marbebi Ragaw. Rangalgel Angatibu Lililaw Bauso, Ma Reiriw, Reegamuri Lilaw, Ma Teresa Lilaw, Omisara Ngiraged, Ma Alfredi Lilaw, Marbebi Ragamiw. Rangalgel Amle Other Day sa Araymul Uyo, Raksaw Noa sa Araymul, Madiray Terir Nancy Mangloy, Marbebi Ragamiw. Rangalgelam le ya other odolom le reire bauso, ray ya other odolom le risawo bauso, Ricardo bauso, ma Arsenia reire, Materu Richard reire, Rinsang reire, ma Apo reire, marbebi ragamiw. Agi direct kalmasubdrar adamam rangar malgi, rawadal other malgi rena ilus, mamosubdrar marangalga, ragabli rigi drangar malgi, may madaalim edgay nga sewertel albul. Oryo ragim subdra rangalgela amle other day iyar talblok, rangalgela ambay iyar, rangir ngarap koy Roman iyar matoni besong mosub dar bebi ramiu. Rangalge lamle remerang abode iyar ra Elmer masabet iyar, Estela nakata ma Evelyn iyar kel marbebi ramiu. Rangalge latal iyar, Radil belu Rosania iyar, Damiana iyar, mamesenge dia sa Bailey Urbano, Burton Basyo marbebi ramiu. Agi dire kalmasub rangalge lamle odal other malgi, dira kalsong talblok, ra odit areng, ra nana maoleb, marbebi ramiu. Rangalge lamyot ra Christiana maiga, madilgogo Rufina tatingal, marbebi ramiu. Rangalge lamle madragogo koichi lamei, ra Teodora koichi, Fabiana koichi, Loloy koichi, mabedasto koichi, mamosub dar bebi ramiu. Rangalge long week la ra en maiga, marbebi rakaw. Rangalge la ra lul setsko ngiraingas, matalbad labawloong, marbebi ramiu. Rangalge la ngira mulay, ra Mary agon maen, Magde marbebi ramiu. Rangalge la ngiray langalang, rabatki galista ngirgalaw baye, ragemay ngirgalaw, Mateong ngirgalaw, Oligong dalboy baye, marangalgel ra Regil baye, Magegi baye, Antonia baye Newton marangalgel, Maong lulu la ilangalang marangalgel. Dudul baye, marbebi ramiu. Rangalgel angir dongol la baye, Ralosi ngir dongol, Chan ngir dongol, Ma Vicky ngir dongol la Moses, marbebi ramiu. Agi direk kalmusub rangalgel Nina masaichi, Rageturang kareta atiterngel, Dave masaichi, Ma Steve masaichi, Sylvester atiterngel, Mamgaspasub de may madaalim mertial albula. Rangalgel amle Eriu Augustin Baye, Radedi Troli, Marangalgel ra Christy Troli, Chan Troli, Maylin Troli Gamsong, Pia Augustin, Mangalgel ra Alison, Elizabeth Augustin, Mother Augustin, Mamosub dar bebi ramiu. Rangalgel amle Uelbil Raroy sa Kumra Termetet, Ramaxi Taima, Marangalgel Ramay Taima, Madakter Bebew Taima, Maria Malaytaw, Marangalgel ra Omtilo, marbebi ramiu, Rangalgel la Dolorosa Termete, tra Bradley Gumangay, Mawina Gumangay, marbebi ramiu. Mary Termete marangalgel, Ma Viola Termete marangalgel, Ma Christy Termete, Ma Arbaang Francis Termete, marangalgel, Ma Tico Termete. Rangalgel la Irene Baye, ra Maria Minor, Costang Guerrero, Nap Guerrero, mamosub dar bebi ramiu. Rangalgel la Romana Baye, ra Elsie marangalgel, Ma Carmen Etumay marangalgel, Fidelia Etumay marangalgel, Rena Johannes marangalgel, Madeidri Bosil, Mamgaspasub de may madaalim mertial albul. Rangalgel amle other day Bena Sasawo, ra Sayuri, Ma Vicendra, marbebi ramiu. Rangalgel la Hunako Dalong Santos, ra Ubi, Mary, Kadwin Mauras, rangalgel la Rolmi Joseph, ra Severio, Ma Melissa Joseph. Rangalgel amler yung la Salvador Talams, rangalgel la Dira Clay Talams Troli, ra Rangem Sebastian Andreas, Maudal Ad Agemi Anderson, Matiana Borja, Leitor Devon Andreas, Leitor Mary Nabeama, marbebi ramiu. Rangalgel la Barbarang Talams, rangir etet Norbert Yano, Maroman Yano, Migu Grace Yano, Leitor Kionori Talam sa Mainglor Talam sa marbebi ramiu. Rangalgel la Toru Talam sa Ralinda Talam sa mamosub dar bebi rakaw. Rangalgel la Elis Talam sa Wadal at Tutov Ngiralmaw, Ebilray Balaw Enita Edward, Maralul Tarkong, marbebi ramiu. Rangalgel la Clive Tuur Olgril, Ramalik Siskatkel, marbebi ramiu. Rangalge la Marta Taur, ra Yuria Taur, marangalge marbebi rakaw. Marangalge lamle Elbil Raroys, Ebil Rayung Maria Asanuma, Ratmur Gumangay, Elizabeth Asanuma Mi, Haines Asanuma, Tasamay Asanuma, Joe Asanuma, Maramrang Santi Asanuma, Roberto Asanuma, Roberta Asanuma, Esteban Asanuma, mamosubdrar ngalge may madaalim mertial albul. Agidirek al masubdrar adamamra taawaram yuns, Rauel masubda saka, Ben Iskawa, Mauel Bil Ilek Iskawa, Marta Iskawa, Machanita Kaldung, mamosubdrar bekal adamarangal ge may madaalim edgay nga sewertial omuduludog. Agidirek al masubdrar ngalge laylab tamakong, Rakoseba, Mahuana, mga boy ilab, marbebi rakamiw. Edire kalmasubdra butalbay James Balwong, edire kalmasubdra iblay Simpson, marbebi rakamiw. Rangalgela isida tamakong, rakyomi isida maberimun okabe, marbebi rakamiw. Edire kalmasubdra rangalgelamle agemi agiwo, relator Jennifer agiwo, mahubert agiwo, mamosubdra bebi rakamiw, may madaalim mertial albul. Agidire kalmasubdra rangalgela isawo tamakong ralori Ray isawo marbebi rakamiw. Rangalgelamle aspang la SB arbadul ral talat kamadrang marbebi rakamiw. Agidire kalmasubdra rangalgela sadako madris ra berli madris marbebi rakaw. Rangalgela kan its madris ra Lorenza ise marbebi rakaw. Marangalgela singero tuur rangalgela masyo rungul ra Faustina rungul marbebi rakaw. Marangalgela ungil basul Sadaw, ratyohay na sadaw, marbebi rakaw. Agidire kalmasubda, rar adamam, marbebi rakamam, rakablil raluwil. Magimsubdra, idare jay okada, maobirir chulita balibay, mamosubdra adad rakablil raluwil, ilamay madaalim, edkay nga sewertial albul. Agidire kalmasubdra ngalgela sayrong, rakaleb matchuli, mamosubdra ngal gamar adarokuy, may madaalim mertial albul. Edire kalmasubdra ngalgelam yokang tagewo taway, mamgaspasubde may madaalim mertial albula. Dire kalmasubdra ngalgela brereng Kyota, makmasubdra kaw, erdialul alons Kyota, olingitam mo subdra adam marangal, may madakay nga se wertial albula. Kompmal masulang, yarubakal Dios, lolmol melomaknal tangat targit. Signed, other day Crispin Termetet, Viloligong Gegi A. Uduy. Subdra kamaldile la Anthony Tony Lagayok. Tia subdra ko dal la makamaldi, loltob dra nga ngirakabo Andres Madraisaw, ngirailal sa Sixtus Paloy, kaswal la Florencio Adalbay, ngirababul Kevin Paloy, el masubdra ko dalel makamaldile la Anthony Tony Lagayok, el ngiangalgelay ngirekla, Malagayok, emlosme rat January 6, 2026, Rabalura Mrigel. Abadangel lamlamot tergok kalmerbela ra February 4, 2026. Yakmaldile lamlamot tergok kalmoringi ra February 5, el ngia ongewa lurior. Abadangel lamotub dramor or sel tutara sebendori, emoray Iglesia Katolik ra Sacred Heart Church, emomre gamisang eng morablay ra itadadu rang esar, mga maldil mo yatasil se mo uraget. Magimsubdra rokuil adamam, rabek kalbalu, may mataalim ertial albula. Mangar along, agimsubdra kaul or ete Matias Erbay, maudal adar mga lang, Lydia Allel, mamosubdra rabek kaladad, may mataalim ertial albula. At tukubet sa spadam, amura ng algela ruba kalruba sa Emmanuel Maldangsang, may mataalim ertial albula. Agidirek kalol ngitar kaul maas al rego uehara, mamosubdra ng algelamle, Erdal asong tadawong hotel, marbek kalngalag may madaalim. Agidire kalmasubdar kal Murphy wasisang, mamasubdar bekal adadar tel albul. Yaileak leto gubet sal spadam, amirkawal iadram uwang skilang ultirakla, mamasubdar adad may madaalim mertel albul. Ngarar dagim subdar kal madar nga buod tami irmang South Junior, Mamleay, mamasubdar bekal adad rablay ratublay, may madaalim mertial albula. Agidire kalmasubdar kawal madrangasmos Makario Watsi, mamasal naura hideos, mamasubdar bekal adad, may madaalim. Ulimang agim subdar kawal bees Paulus o ngalibang, maebiler otong nana o ngalibang, mamasubdar adad rablay otong, may madaalim mertial albula. Ngiwa lagim subdar ngalgela Franz Paloy, Ratjusta Paloy, Lorenza Olgaril, Makorey Paloy, Cicerson, Ertel Albula. Agidire kalmasubdar kaul Elfride Franz Mongami, mamultur radalad Julia Franz, may madaalim Ertel Albula. Malgayok, agito kubet sal masubdar kaul Raklay Rafael Bawong Irmang, Maevil Raklay Mitsko Walter, olingita mamay madaalim Ertel Albula. Agidire kalmasubdar kaul Oligong Polycarp Basilius, Ngiratroli Lenser Basilius, mamosubdar adad may madaalim. Direkal spadalar ataw George Raura, Madilik, Rebecca S. Ngirmaait, mamosubdar adad rokuy may madaalim. Iyaileakal spadam, Amerikao limtukura David Taro, mamosubdra bebi rakaw may madaalim mertial albula. Agidirek kaltokubet sal masubdra rakaw al Thingalius Albert Jacinto, diradalbo al tekla kodeb, mamosubdra bekal adadar tial albula. Direkal spadala, ang iramimay Hidencio Gintaro, kamadao la Bentalay, madrang R. Denis Jacinto, ngatibu Luel Macreo sa Libro Besong, Governor Genaro Paloy, Oligong Frutoso Talay, Yu Toribiong Macreo sa Franz Talay, Brian Eungel, Raptang Trapkul Talay, Clifton Boysek, Maongetiu, Labilaw Sebalt. Direkal Spadala Chulita Talay, Diraingas Macaria Talay, Elspeth Sebalt, Esther Sebalt, Ngarbay Boysek, Joy Obrang Antonio, Magimberly Gintaro, Bol Sebalt, Mamosubdar Adad may madaalim. Agi direkal Togubet sel Masubdar ng Algela, Dirakombali Orib at Joseph, Ramadrayo Colin Joseph, Maodam Rasay Yuri Saal, may madaalim mertial albula. Ng esa ragim subdara rangal garablayra ngar matarang, mangarngiya prookayang Ephraim Policarp, usak la Zacarias Siangaldeb, Vitalis Rulugda, Rakasuk Terence Rulugda, mamosubdara ruuliw, maradad artial albula. Agidirekal masubdara kawal Sharon Sakuma, Maria B. Agitaya, Kalbid Igeda, Merlin B. Rideb, Laura Gintaro, mamosubdara bebi rakami umarangal, may madaalim mertial albula. Agidirekal kmaltokubet sal masubdara kawal maas ngasik Risong Saito, Ebil Veronica Masayos, mamosubdara adad, Rokuy, may madaalim mertial albula. Direkal masubdara ng algela The May Tamol, Raulang Tamol, Machan Mark Olgaril, mamosubdara bebi rakamiw, may madaalim. Agidirekal masubdara kawal Junior Rigarig, Maolem Ranil Rigarig, may madaalim. Direkal spadala odal adrakabaw, Hilong Marsil, Nicolas Ngirgalaw, Governor Dwayne Hideo, Chabi May, Ngirakalsong Avalbay, Sally Siskind, Masandora May, Alice Sabang, Diram A. Esther Ralul, Ertung Elisa O. Watanabe, Evelyn Avalbay, Natalie Avalbay, Masiyang Ngargalaw, Mamosubdar Adadaroguy, Yertial Albul. Agidirek kaltokubet sal masubdar kawal dirabis Madrey Skang Gotaro, Mamay Madaalim, Yertial Albul. Yaileak lekmaltokubet sal spadek, Ngakalngirakabo Andres Madreysaw, Amerikawal Erdabaang Leverano Ngirgalaw, Mangas Ngasew, Romana Anastasio, Rablayra Ngluswo Alertial Albula. Ngarsula agim subdrakawal o bakar mau Sydney Mobel, Madil Requis Marcelina Roduk, mamosubdar adadrangar mau may madaalim Mertial Albula. Agidirekal masubdrakawal Madras Kasuk Gabriel Wasisang, Rapkaw Cecilil Aldabel, Mamaligras Kasuk Martar Allul, mamosubdar adadrablayras Kasuk may madaalim. Iray agim subdrakawal Rudel Kensiro Dongokla, mamosubdar adadrablayra Tungolel may madaalim Mertial Albula. Agidirekal masubdrakawal former President Johnson Toribio, mamosubdara ruulem mar adadarokuy may madaalim. Direkal spadala Rob Oraydung Yoel Toribio, Malip Matura, Rungul Ngirait Matura, Riiwang Uelt Matura, Hermina Orugma, Ira Ala Raymond, Tininay Gasakasa, Valerie Gasakasa, Helen Moded, Maana Williams, mamosubdara adadarokuy may madaalim Mertial Albula. Yatokubet sa iliakal spadala Amerikawal ngiraged yugiwo pidongokla, mamay madaalim Mertial Albula. Direkal spadala Marcelino Augustin, Ignacio Daniel, Edwin Paloy, Ricky Rubario, Ongolungla Daniel, Rulula Daniel, Chemi Daniel, Charlie Simeon, Reginald Augustin, Quay Paloy, Claire Paloy, Alfredi Gasakasa, Mautiracla Augustin, mamosubdar adadartial Albula. Direkal spadala Diraday, Remyang Y. Discabo, Diraleds Luciati Yano, Miori Daniel, Dirayeur Miriam K. Saraymul, Antoinette Merur, Rosalita Tadao, Edwina P. Takada, Carla Paloy, Sariang Rubario, Talaw Paloy, Boley Paloy, Marco Simeon, Etabay Raymond, Betty Raymond, Priscilla Augustin, and Sengl Land, Diranger Blunta Deborah Nakata, mamosubdar adadaroguy may madaalim. Ngaramlunguy agito kubet sal masubdar kal Beesrang Amsed, El Steven Malsol, maobaad mayring malsol, mamosubdar adad may madaalim mertial albula. Agidirek al-masubdar gawal Deborah Eur, mamosubdar bekal adad may madaalim edgay nga sertial albula. Imlig agim subdar gawal dirungul bay sariyang tmatka, mamosubdar adad rablayra u elgiyuk may madaalim mertial albula. Agidirek al-togubet al-masubdar gawal Naomi u erangos, olngitar gaw mamosubdar ang algela odam raskeras, manangalgela skilang, rapamela skilang, Beverly skilang, may madaalim mertial albula. Agidirek al-masubdar gawal Kyle Ongesi, mamultur radhaladra Julia France, may madaalim mertial albula. Orior agitogubet al-masubdar gawal kaltngul rabay udhuy, may madaalim mertial albula. Agidirek al-masubdar ngalgelam le Miray Gabriela Ngirmang, Rangirasu Gregorio Ngirmang, Madiraprak Elisita Morey, mamausubdar bebi ragmiw may madaalim. Agidirek al-masubdar ngalgela Kasoley Rabluda, Raongerung Gambes Kasoley, Siles Kasoley, Olbedegal Kasoley, Marcela Kasoley, Mamgaspasubdalo Adarro Uy, may madaalim mertial albula. Direk kalspadala odray Tosie Keldermens, Agigo Sugiyama, Susana Susi Quintaro, Teodora S. Miguel, Carla West, Kyoko Tengeluk, Siska Wataru, Judy Solang, Sarah Lynn Sugiyama, Alvina Tengeluk, Merly Cuarte, Deborah Rangil, Rebecca Asanuma, Sherilyn Madraisaw, Deidre Sway, Morngul Bedor, Lorraine Bandari, Belinda Eungel, Poli Madraisaw, Miriam Ewat, Jeren Ngiraygalaw, Ebi Lulay the May, Madeline Tengeluk, Charlene Madraisaw, Maugong M. Nakamura. Direkalspadala Ogardeo Patrick Telay, Ngirurik Pedro Gintaro, Oldiais Ngiraygalaw, Satrunino Tewid, Spasungol Masawo Bedor, Jason Sigi Gasolay, Maruulel, Aldrin Telay, Justin Ramot, Esang Tengeluk, Clarence Sugiyama, Trapkul Bedor, Sisinyo Ewatl, Esteban Gintaro, Troy Ngiraygalaw, Kotra Bedor, Reirey Adolb, Junior the May, Omgilum Lapaloy, Ngiraylals Paloy, Junior Isaac, Mapeter Ngiramolaw Paloy, Mamosubdar Adadaroguy, Yertial Albula. Agidirek Kaltogubet al-Masubdar Gawal Baustinat Modrang, Maadelina Blailes, Mamosubdar Bebi Ramiw, Mar Adad, May Madaalim. Palilyaw Agim Subdar Adamam, Rablay Rangas Kasuk, Ertial Albula. Malungil Beesarag, Agompal Masulang, Edolngitra Rubakal Dios, Malomaknal Tangatargid Roguy. Signed, Ngiragabo Andres Madraisaw. Subdramal dilela Antonito Nil Rayok. Tiakmal Togubet sa Iliakal Sub, the Loltov Nya Dira Dalbo, El Tekla Erung Godeb, Malibro Besong, El Masubdrar Adala Dalmam, Rangamius Sambal, Rablaira Ngarwos, Rangar Male Malgayok, El Kmo Anthony Tony Lagayok, El Ngalgela Ingrek Lalagayok, Amlosme Rabaluram Rigel, January 6, 2026, Emlamotorok Labadengel El Merbela, February 4, 2026. Kamaldilel Amlamotorok El Moringira February 5th, Emotuab Dabdengel Ramor, Sevendori, El Moraigele Siara Sacred Heart Church, Catholic, Momregami Sangringi, El Morablaira Itadu Rang Esar, El Maldil Moyatasils, El Mouraged, El Momdak Lobengela Dalal, Raingerekle Erungl. Magik Malolngit Ramiu, Mamgaspasub de May Madaalim, Ertial Albul. Kompmal Masulang, Edolngit Rubakal Dios, Malomoknal Tangatargid Roqui. Signed, Libro Besong. Subdramal dile la Antoni Tony Lagayok. Tia subdramal di loltobdringa ngiraylal sa Sixtus Peloy, U.L. Macreos, Ignacio Daniel, Maodal Adi Long Marcil, El Masubdrago dalel Makmal dile la Antoni Tony Lagayok, El Ngiangalgela Ingrekla, Malagayok. Los me Rabaluram Rigel at January 6, 2026, Emlamotorok Labadengel, El Merbela ora February 4, 2026. Kamaldile Langgal Targid, Amlamotorok El Moringira February 5th, El Ngia Ongewalurior. Abadengel Amotuab Dramor, gra 7:30 a.m., El Moraigele Siara Sacred Heart Church, Momrega Misang Ringi, En Morablaira, Itadadu Rang Esar, E Mga Maldil Moyatasil, Se Mo Uraged. Magim Subdargawal Ridialul Alonskiota, Madil Hilong Herdang, Mosubdrar Bekalngal Grablaira Esuroy, Ertial Alabul, May Madaalim. Kompmal Masulang, Edolngitra Rubakal Dios, Malomoknal Tangatargid Roguy. Signed, Wadalad Hilong Marcil.
tial subadal mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel madiagal tigingel malup engul de swela dias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul tobderngi e haraorngi ko mal mesulang.
Notice regarding land located in Taliu Hamlet, Palauan State, Cadastral Lot Number 154R21. Notice is hereby given that Ngarulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Fumi Sangabaw, and Ngarulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngarulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Fumi Sangabaw, and Ngarulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the lineage who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than March 5, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subada el-gire la utaman nga nataliw rablilyo, ang kadastra lat numbering 154R21. Subada murabway el-mangrulgong linyet, represented by Obak F. Fumi Sangabaw, mangrulgong linyet, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong, amnaruli on trir meltobda certificate of title, el-gire el-tiam la masadar babal utama el-Palau National Government. Ababier el-gire el-tiloy de la utama, len conveyance agreement, ang aringir obisra len court, el-sabel hangi dil adan mo meserngi, al-sukum ang aringir adar tial tulungal al sualom tokor tialoy de la utama ikmal gilel file or tangil more obisralen court al diqabol miudra March 5, 2026 lebol miudra tial time ang sabel selul tangil el modelo rior sign Rosemary Scabong Senior Judge. Subdra kamaldila Tia subdra tobdra niya law Isidoro Ilmlong runguram awang William Giragalaw mawil iramga el masubdra kamaldile la irik ngira west rungulbay ilmlamos mer imlamot rok la kamaldile el February 5, 2026 el Thursday el dimorngira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel el ngangat kibrayray el moswel beto del marablil o el remesi wet rungulbay ray meong rangaram languy mang mga adu e moragif Malway sagim subdra rogul at mamang rababal dab or yor mayol dab or kumamim na kayong sir til kamaldile la targid en madibusra ng led. Malway sang ayang alagim subda ragal ro ilmi de mot margup ma aphens taqabo mo subdra adad marangal gamim na kayong sew. Ngaralong agim subdra ungor ete Matias Erbay hens ginatregan marangal gelang at yung ginatregan mo subdra adad gamim na kayong sew. Aola gim subdra gal ola blue James miwata alid adahong mangina esebres para ni Salvador mo subdra bibirang miw maradad gamim na kayong sew. Ngart magim subdragal arangas lusyong giray wet mo subdra bibiragaw may mdakaing gisew. Rangal gilaya ko ila daw dili rangul mar bibiragaw may mdakaing gisew tel albula. Ngaram lungo agim subdra kawal sisinyang giray galaw marosanya abiya mo subdra bibiragaw may mdakaing gisew. O baklo birik la ilong utoy mo subdra rangal gem may mdakaing gisew. Mary iram ka mga tuberay iram ka madulot ka mo subdra bibiragaw may umarangal gem may mdakaing gisew. Rangal gila rangul bay ra mesiwat rangul bay mo subdra rangal gem may mdakaing gisew. Rangal gila ngi sila ayos ya masagi rangaligela tero ko kinya rangaligela sikyang beselad rangaligela ilamlong kabuy rangaligela ngiran maut kabuy rangaligela madali wal marqub rangaligela ilabrang ng hotel Lilian and Marcel masubdra bibirgaw mi daging sew taklas marqub adal belu madray sawraged masubdra bibirgaw mi daging sew agidri kam subdra gal ngirut tali mi wamad masubdra bibirgaw marada mi daging sew ngat pagim subdra gal losiya at taway lamlong tarmaw ay ngiramos masubdra bibirgaw mi daging sew Rangal gila amasyo al may mdakaing sew, marangal gila tawrangil, o topo da marubiyang hiro minabe ama, mo subdra adat may mdakaing sew. Miliga gim subdra gal di rungul bay sariyang tmat, ka mo subdra adat marangal gim may mdakaing sew. Rangal gila aryong gilat map, rangal gila kaoru rungul bay, di rangal de ela da korang gilab lago, mau ermerek kultiru rungul bay, mo subdra bebir kami may mdakaing sew. Mala albalu bas elgiulula, rangal gila ang sengsa nakamura, Ngas pasubda may mdakaing sew tial albula. Wadal adulay tiltul masubdra bibiragaw may mdakaing sew, maamarol la simer masubdra ngalge may mdakaing sew. Yasari nga kalaw Isidoro ilamlong am subdra kaw lebagaw tat ngira mangyor, masubdra adat marangalge may mdakaing sew. Ayra gim subdra ngalge la yaskol bal, risawar irey, masubdra bibiragaw may mdakaing sew. Ngalge la rang sul rangi lamabreng sa arngil meri, masubdra bibiragaw may marangalge may mdakaing sew. Orior, yagim subdra ray adribukol kyoni saal, masubdra adat marangal ke may nakaing sew telbul. Torin onglongol masubdra bibiragaw may nakaing sew. Ritam subdra masubdra ngal ke may nakaing sew. Paul uwegi marbebiringi may nakaing sew. Dr. Wilay otob na masubdra adat may nakaing sew. Ibo malsol masubdra bibiragaw may nakaing sew. Ngiro ongor rigim ol masubdra adat marangal ke may nakaing sew. Maro batiek sano yalap masubdra bibiragaw may nakaing sew. Tokobet sa subdar tobdringa law Isidoro Ilamalong am subdar kal rungul rabarem o itrong rabong maro batik sa ano yalap mo subdar rokul at marangal karaselan emim kang isir tel albula ngklom ngatela subda ulm trigel adamam no diam don clear diamol mkitarang rir ya bol sab amiun me da alim kang iseu dirigal mal bato alsang maser mapolagal sab amiu el me mal dingil basul edi dagalat krang longu arbakal dios lolmol mlomkal tanga trigidro gui sain law Isidoro Ilamalong Tia subdra kodal tobdringa ngura brem o itrong resbang maru lel ra law Isidoro Ilamalong McLaren Sano el subdra adad marangal ra selaw el ngara babeldaw orior pililio mangayaw el kumari irik lingirawe srungul bayam los mercedes January 15 2026 yakamel dile la motor ka klan morngir ongewal orior Thursday February 5 2026 Pakamaldilil karuba kasi morngir at Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, ranayin dori na tutaw, e mga maldil moswel beto del moto abrablil o lel ramesiwet trungulbay, raimeyong rangramlanguy emuragid. Malaway siya nga along agim subdar karubas subdang ubday, mo subdar adad marangal gamay nakayang esew. Aol yak subdar kal James Mimata alit adong, mangires Everest sa Brani Salvador, mo subdar adad gamay nakayang esew. Martmak masudar ang algilaya ku ila daw dalil marbibiringi. Chani tudong masudar bibirakaw manangal gamay nakayang esew. Aktiral masudar kalto na yaw kay ngiragalaw mamiyako kinsirok lulubak may nakayang esew. Ngaram langoyak masudar ang algila amlangir turong ramang South France, ramang France, rangalgila skalsol ngiriyo, rangalgila amboy France, rangalgila idasmang ramang radil badul lavern marep, masudar bibirakaw may nakayang esew. Marangalgila ngilti idasmang, marangalgila ngirong hotel idasmang, mayreng malsol masudar rangalgila may nakayang esew, rangalgila ngirbokotreng marep, rangalgila tumakreng tamtreng, bakaw lobak lubirik lilong olgari ludoy, masudar bibirakaw marangalgila may nakayang esew. Rangalgila ngiselayos rangil marangalgila mlelaw ilamalong kabuy ralaw Isidoro Ilamalong masudar udam marbibirakaw may nakayang esew. Barangalgel iram got kabuy, rangalgela ngiral maut kabuy, rangalgela rangulbay meriaur, barangalgela ngarwud sa ngiray galaw beo. Nga kalrungu rabrem o itrong bresbang am subdral ngiraklang chance kabong, mo subdral ulem marbibirakaw e meim danga sukak. Aktiral subdral ngirutel i emiwamad, mangir nga sismad, mo subdral bibirkamiw e meim danga ingisew. Ngat pangyak masubdar ang algilam nedir babal blay lisaw al masyo, al ramanya masyo, al masubdar bibirakaw e meim danga ingisew. Ay miliga yung subdar ang algila at kaduluk kal mga amin at abdeb kong mga amin, masubdar bibirakaw e may nakayang sew. Malakayo kayak masubdar kal ng tibulo el makreo sa masubdar bibirakaw maradat e may nakayang sew. Ay rayak masubdar kal rut ort koil, rang algila yas kolwal, dilrisong yos korngul, rang algila kawit altoy, maling darwin ay skay, masubdar adat e may nakayang sew. Oriorak masubdar rang algila walye toribyong at chanson toribyong, masubdar bibirakaw e may nakayang sew, marobat tiek sano yalap, masubdar bibirakaw e may nakayang sew, rang algila diraklay ko siba ra ester ko siba, masubdar bibirakaw e may nakayang sew, madil mala al rose masubdar bibirakaw e may nakayang sew. Iliak at spadek nga kalungu rabrem o iturong maresbang amora ay adar amay elyayob mau elbil rakum rasena asuma, masubdar adat marangal e may nakayang sew. Pililyaw yak masubdar ang algilam ledil o ermang ngiruyos, rangas kasuk Abraham ngiruyos, masubdar bibirakaw e may nakayang sew, marangal gila ramalig ra adar koroy pastor ramalig, masubdar ang algila noboru ramalig, maharu ramalig, e may nakayang sew. Tilikal masubdar ang algilam ni adar koroy yasintoy saal, rangalgila Martinez al, rangalgila Telial Oli dasyar, rangalgila asmaw susong, rangalgila asako ng ata, rangalgila ang ngina albayad, rangalgila diraitong bresbang, barangalgila dirminrang Williams, makas pasubad e may nakayang sew. Ang yaurak masubdar ang algila Thomas Orengs, rabi ni Toto Orengs, masubdar bibirakaw marang algila kasi ila kay Itz, may imtakay ng sew. Kaya mga tila subda ulm tirgil at naman mo di kami itong clear, lakabal makitarang rir, yabol sab amiw, may imtakali imtakay ng sew, Drador Stale, February 5, 2026, ito mas miingal targi, then maadiwus sa ratong alid. Dili kal malapto ka alsang maser, mabola kal sab amiw, almek, maliwil basul, edito kalat karang lungu. Arubak kal Diyos, ulam kal tanga targi drogoy. Kop malmsulang sa nung rabrem o itrong resbang. O sisil subra kamaldi la top dringi ang iraklang chance kabong Governor Mais Robert rididrong James mangayol tama idalngod bungolok tablak el subra bek kalmas maruk tamar marbek tamam rakabli iraklang el kmotar gidrar irik klingawes rongolbay amlos mer makamaldi la mornina February 5 2026 el Thursday el di mornina Palau Funeral Home and Chapel el ngarablurang at kibrayray el di mga maldin maswel beto den morabli lo le ramesiwa rongolbay mamanga aduy emuragid Palaway siya kamamaltewa ruba ka ulingi tanges ura kamil dakawa adra kabli iraklang mamay mga sukma martel albula rakamaldile la targi drari irik linginawe srungulbay. Kumal masulang ya Dios polong kaltangat rigi drawing. Saya na ngirak lang tiyan biskabong, rakabli raklang. Tia subdra kamaldi lotto nga rubiang hiromina bayama, badul mers arurang, sri dario rungulbay ma Constantino ngidage, dal gire la kamaldi lilar irik lingrawes rungulbay. Lamot roko kulmonia February 5, 2026, el dorstel di mga maldi Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el Moswelb, eto del morang ramlungwe di mukta rabla ratalaw, rablilo alle ramesiwa rungulbay, ang mga yadu e mamadakla. Magim subdar at mamang lagam regal belu mamkas pusub de may nakangisir tial al sungulong kaltargi del maadi mga lulungul a olle ngania tetching its ubday tinoklolat yat kaumay hilari ubday Troy Harper's Kang yat rading Abraham Osima sa dawar yung masubdar adadar oilang may nakangisir ngar along ay budur rabarak Florencio Madam ebi rabarak Alvarez at the Somrangil ngat mang aribo raget gibons masahiro madiru 8 tamangil ngram longway subdra ya adar mateng al chesi modet rangal gel askabong rangal gel et pisong ra dirmlong ebil roma ma edel ngod bogolong tabla rangal gel asaw rangal gel ab sl adel herson cholada motherlint mat ka kaminor lu elbil Francis Carmangsaw ma Patricia Franz ngat pang nganyar ngalgel ang inadilub Dolores mangedrong masiles ngiranamyang ngalgel arurang timul itrong oo dilol putalbay may matong ay maligang subdar ngalgel oya aspangal ngasang nakamura mangilatrang gyota ay ra ngalnya ebil martayat ebil radap Carl etetyo ardialul alons gyota tinilong rudang rabal tagewang ilmugur mal lemyoto hirawo dinrameo ane Maria diao dirasil erminyang iriklang behim dali midaging seu orio nganya atmigo Hilaria Lagobong, Ebil Hermana Umetaro, Rangalila Tomoichi mas pasungol chowrangela. Kommal musulang, saen Rubiang Hiromina Bayama.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul top deringi e haraorngi, kohmal musulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PTST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Ali ngariya malor udu subde de gatememel mera radio station madagulngit mamay gim sugaw makot egdilu si asprem eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw e waisen muk mongomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esendringi either moya ka fax mora 4884420 malub de sendringi loya ka email en mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com ega mama recorderingi erulia invoice esendringi le porgau e auriul ega meharau ali malya moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maloba nganya harma raspedem e aki call seguir the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko mal sulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube.
WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi, Sine. What do you mean, oi, Sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number one. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. NPI, I tell you, pare. we drink it too because it's number one. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number one.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
It's up to the president. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. That bottom line from the White House as Democrats call for ICE reforms.
President Trump will be the ultimate decider on any policy changes over immigration enforcement, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt says.
We're willing, obviously, to have this dialogue and to talk and to listen, but we are not going to concede in enforcing our nation's immigration laws.
A bipartisan agreement extends DHS funding through next week to allow negotiations over reforms Democrats want to see with ICE and Border Patrol, including stricter warrant requirements and agents not wearing masks.
Fox's Jared Halpern at the White House. The head of Homeland Security has already said all federal law enforcement in the field in Minneapolis will wear body cameras, expanding that nationwide as funding allows. For now, the stopgap DHS funding and bills to fund most of government through September are heading to the president's desk, winning House approval today to end a partial government shutdown. Direct talks between the U.S. and Iran still being planned for later this week after the U.S. military shot down an Iranian drone in the Arabian Sea. CENTCOM says it was aggressively approaching a U.S. aircraft carrier, also reporting that Iranian gunboats harassed a U.S.-flagged tanker, prompting a response from a Navy destroyer and the U.S. Air Force. This week's talks are aimed at brokering a nuclear agreement.
Iran's president posted to X today confirming Iran's participation in the negotiations. President Pezeshkian said, quote, "I've instructed my Minister of Foreign Affairs to pursue fair and equitable negotiations guided by the principles of dignity, prudence, and expediency."
Fox's Trey Yingst in Tel Aviv. U.S. Special Envoy Steve Witkoff holding meetings today in Israel. The Clintons agree to testify before the House Oversight Committee about the late sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, agreeing to dates later this month after facing a possible contempt vote for failure to appear under subpoena. A sell-off on Wall Street, the Dow down 166. America is listening to Fox News. Leads, but no breakthrough, reported in Arizona, where the search continues for the 84-year-old mother of a TV host reported missing Sunday morning.
Pima County Sheriff Chris Nano said in his latest update, as they look for Nancy Guthrie, mother of Today Show anchor Savannah Guthrie, police are now finished processing the crime scene.
We're done with the residence. If we need to go back to get, maybe we want to do something with some other piece of evidence there, we contact the family and let them know.
FBI Assistant Special Agent in charge in Tucson, John Edwards, said their support of the investigation includes
downloading and analyzing cell phones, obtaining cell tower information, conducting interviews.
Sheriff Nanos did not give any specifics on evidence, nor did he answer whether he believes Nancy Guthrie is still alive. Gernal Scott, Fox News.
The son of Libya's late dictator Muammar Gaddafi has been killed in Libya. No word yet on exactly how he died, but one of his lawyers confirms it on Facebook. After his father was toppled and later killed during an uprising in 2011, Saif al-Islam Gaddafi had been captured by fighters and released several years later. A Libyan court had convicted him of inciting violence and murdering protesters, sentencing him to death in absentia. A British politician resigns from Parliament over possible leaks to Jeffrey Epstein.
Peter Mandelson is retiring from his lifetime position in the UK's House of Lords. He's under police investigation. There's evidence in the newly released Jeffrey Epstein files that Mandelson may have illegally shared in emails insider government information that could affect financial markets. And bank documents show several payments made by Epstein to Mandelson or his husband.
Fox's Tom Rigotti. The friendship continued after Epstein's 2008 guilty plea for procuring a minor for prostitution. Recapping stocks, the Dow hits a new high in the morning and then drops drops, down 166 at the bell. The S&P and the NASDAQ also in the red. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.